Roast pork. A main dish from Hong Kong. Serves 2. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Cut pork into long strips approximately 1.5 inches in diameter. Make incision at intervals and lightly pound meat with a meat pounder. Step 2. Put all the ingredients into a good-sized bowl and mix well. Marinate the pork for an hour. Step 3. Remove pork and mount each piece on a skewer. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 4. Grill for 15 minutes, turning the meat halfway through. Step 5. Heat malt syrup, a little water to melt. Remove pork from oven, brush pork with the melted malt syrup. Step 6. Return pork to the oven and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. Step 7. Remove pork, brush again with the malt syrup. Step 8. Return pork to the oven for another 5 minutes. Step 9. Serve, sliced into thin slices 1/4 inch or thinner. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.